In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view forms in TurboTax Online. If you want to check your tax return, review the details that have been entered, or simply get a better look at the forms behind your return, TurboTax Online makes that possible with just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the process in a clear and simple way so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, log into your TurboTax Online account and open your tax return. Make sure you're inside the correct return before moving forward, especially if you've started one recently and want to review the most up-to-date information. Once your return is open, look over to the left sidebar and click Tax Tools. This section gives you access to extra options that help you review and manage your return beyond the standard interview screens. After that, click Tools. This opens the Tools Center, where you'll find several useful features related to your return. From there, select View Tax Summary. This takes you to a summary view of your tax information, which is helpful if you want a quick snapshot before looking at the actual forms. Next, click Preview My 1040 or Preview My Tax Return if that option is available in your account. The exact wording can vary a little depending on your version of TurboTax or where you are in the filing process, but either option is designed to let you see the forms and return details more directly. Once you're in the preview area, take some time to review your tax forms and return summary. This is a good opportunity to double-check figures, confirm income and deduction information, and make sure everything looks accurate before you continue. You can also use the navigation options provided to move through different sections of your return. This makes it easier to focus on specific parts, such as income, credits, deductions, or the main tax form itself, without having to scroll through everything all at once. When you're finished reviewing your forms, return to your tax interview. This brings you back to the guided TurboTax experience, where you can continue entering information or making updates. From there, continue working on your tax return as needed. If you noticed anything during your review that needs attention, now is the time to go back and correct it before moving ahead. That's all it takes to view forms in TurboTax Online. Thanks for watching.